Join me as I challenge myself to have a full conversation in English without any pauses or mistakes today. In this video, you'll discover effective strategies to improve your English conversation skills and boost your confidence. Many learners struggle with speaking fluently and finding the right words during conversations, which can be discouraging. I know how frustrating it can be to feel like you're stuck in a rut, unable to express yourself as freely as you'd like. Your mind goes blank, and you're left wondering why you can't seem to get your thoughts out. This struggle is real, but the good news is that there are ways to overcome it. With a bit of practice and dedication, you can start to see improvement in your speaking skills. We'll explore practical tips like practicing with a partner, using language apps, and engaging in immersive experiences to enhance your speaking abilities. One of the most effective ways to improve your conversation skills is to practice speaking with a partner. This could be a language exchange friend, a tutor, or even a classmate. The key is to find someone who is willing to chat with you in English and provide feedback on your speaking skills. Language apps can also be a great resource, offering a range of interactive exercises and quizzes to help you build your vocabulary and grammar. The key insight to remember is that consistency is crucial. Even a few minutes of daily practice can lead to significant improvements. By setting aside just 10 to 15 minutes each day to practice speaking, you can start to see noticeable gains in your conversation skills. Try listening to English podcasts or radio shows during your daily commute, or speaking with a language exchange partner for a few minutes each day. These small moments of practice can add up over time, helping you to build confidence and fluency in your speaking. By implementing these strategies, you'll be on your way to having more engaging conversations in English and feeling more at ease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on language learning, and let me know your favorite tips in the comments below.